Hi there, just thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to make an SVG animation for a loading animation. I had a bit of trouble getting it centered, so I thought I'd share. So let's, inside Illustrator, open up a new document. I'm going to choose 32 pixels, just seems like a good enough size. Going to pop in, already got something in my clipboard. Which is just a loading path. Here we go. So now I've just got a path that looks like a loading symbol. And now we actually want to be able to rotate that. So I'm going to make this just big enough so when you rotate it, it doesn't hit any of the bounds. It's pretty close. Alright. Now the issue I had was getting this centered properly. So just go here to transform and make sure we choose 16 and 16, making sure that their reference point is center. And now because our bounds was 32, 16 is half of that, and we have a properly centered animation. Now I'm going to do File, Save As, and just on the desktop write loading, and we'll change that to SVG. We've got loading SVG. Save that. Now, if we hide Illustrator now, on our desktop, open up the SVG with your favourite code editor. Now we've got here, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. You've got the XML, some stuff here from Illustrator, and opens up, says this is some SVG, where we can see now there's the document, the width of 32, height of 32 that we set. Same with the view box. And then this is the path itself. And this G just means a group. We can actually get rid of the group if you want as well. Now for the path, we just need to, because it's a self-close path there, just actually not make it self-closed, and we're actually going to put a tag in here for animate transform. So instead I'm just going to Google animate transform. And here we go, we've got something rotating. So there they're rotating the polygon, have the animate transform inside. So I'm going to take that, pop it in here for myself. Now we're going to rotate it from 0 to 360, and the reference points that we want it to be rotating around is the 16, which is the half of 32, and 16, and from 16 to 16. So now we're rotating from center X and Y to the center X and Y, and our path, we know, is also centered, and they're all the coordinates of our path. So now if we save that and open up that SVG, something like Chrome, we have it rotating. That's a little slow for my liking. Let's pop that to 2 seconds. There we go. Now we have the rotating, and that's centered when it's rotating. Just to show you, the issue I had was, although we have all of these set to 16 and all correct, if your Illustrator document here, we'll open that up again, happens to be off angle a little bit, or even maybe not so dramatic. It's just slightly off. We save that. We go back. Open that with, we can just sit here and refresh in Chrome. You notice that's kind of rotating off skew, even though all of our values are still the same here. So this path itself had changed. Alright, so if we jump back in here, center that up. Great, a couple of the figures changed. There we go. Now we have the loading animation. I'll just make that a little bit bigger so we can see it. Great, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.